are not good to share. Oh God, I worship you tonight. Not because I am in a convenient situation, oh God. But I worship you because you are holy. I worship you because God, your character, Panginoon, hindi nagbabago. Hallelujah. In this world, Panginoon, hallelujah, marami pong hindi inaasahan, oh God. Maraming nakakagulat, Panginoon, nakakakabang mga pangyayari. But God, hallelujah, you are not surprised, oh God, by the problems that you face. Hindi ka po kinabahan sa biglang problemang dumating sa amin dahil ang lahat ng bagay ay hawak mo, Panginoon. So God, hallelujah,